Civil 3D 2022.1 now makes it possible to utilize corridors created in previous drawings as templates for new design drawings. These templates include the feature lines, surface details, and slope patterns of the corridor. When creating a corridor, users now have the option to specify a corridor template. You can use existing drawing files and identify the specific corridor name to use. Civil 3D will display the template details that will be projected. This process will save time and effort when setting up a new corridor that contains similar details with other projects. You can also match region parameters from different corridors. This will match the frequency and targeting from one corridor region to the next. Users can also apply corridor templates to existing corridor models. You can use the same workflow to specify template file locations and corridor names. The resulting corridor will display the similar feature lines, surfaces, and slope patterns. Corridor targeting has also been updated to improve workflow efficiency. You can adjust the plan view window even when the target mapping dialog box is open. The subassemblies will highlight in plan view when they are selected in the target mapping window. You now have more control when selecting targets for specific codes. The filter offset range allows you to limit the offset distance from the subassembly code line. Civil 3D will display the alignments, feature lines, or polylines within the offset range. This update provides greater clarity and control when setting up corridor targeting. These enhancements provide greater control and efficiency for engineers and designers when working with corridor models.